Like many large corporates, IAG has a large and complex change agenda. For us to be able to manage this effectively into the business, we needed a data visualization tool that allowed us to help the business really understand the changes that we're deploying, the complexity of them, and how to manage them concurrently. For us, the Change Compass was the tool that we chose for it.
So the Change Compass has given IAG a number of benefits across a number of different domains. The first of those would be around organisational change maturity. I mean, it is essentially a decision support tool, so it's really enabled our leaders in our business to be able to make better decisions having regard to the volume of change which is coming at them.
The future of work is uncertain. What we can see now in all corporates globally are organisations starting to try and navigate through how we deal with rapidly paced change. And part of the role of change management in organisations now is not just about managing project change. It's about helping organisations increase their organisational agility to be able to respond to whatever it is that the business needs to be able to do to stay relevant in the market and to provide amazing experiences for customers.
So the Change Compass has also been really useful to our change management community within IAG. It's really helped them design and it's really influenced the way they build their change management approach. Because that approach needs to reflect the levels of impacts which have been received by both our people but also our customers as well. And so change managers are now able to have a great discussion with their project managers around not only budgets and the likes of that, but also the planning which is needed to make sure that change is truly embedded across the organisation.
And so as we look at the future of change management as a discipline, having better tools for data visualization around change is increasingly important, along with making sure that we continue to maintain a focus on humanizing work. We need to make sure that we have a really clear balance between how we create performance agility by supporting our people to become more comfortable with change and faster able to adapt to and evolve within a change context, but also that we have the systems and processes that allow us to make decisions with certainty.
The Change Compass has already become a real feature of building our organisational maturity, and I think over time it will continue to play into that as an objective for IAG.
So for us, the constant partnership with the Change Compass team is around helping to build those data visualization tools to stay pace with the changes that are being deployed into the finance sector. And it's an ongoing story, and we look forward to further work with the team as the tool continues to grow and help us evolve our practice in change. At its core, the Change Compass is helping Insurance Australia Group make better decisions about change.